Hello and welcome, Kokon Mahmood. In this video, I'll be sharing some significant food facts. So, keep watching the ins and outs of food facts I'm going to share. First of all, tomatoes. Perhaps you're a tomatoes fan? Tomato is basically not a vegetable, it's a fruit. Banana lovers, are you ready? Okay, let's go for banana lovers. Banana is not a fruit, it's a herb. So, banana can help you to improve your mood as well as can empower your blood pressure. So, go bananas. Mango is most favorite fruit and #1 fruit in the world. Most produce mango is from Pakistan. So mango is most delicious and most favorite for a mass people. Strawberries. Strawberries lover. Strawberry is not a berry. Strawberry has around 200 seeds. Let's talk about cucumber. Now for a cucumber lover. Cucumber is mostly water. It is 96% water inside this. So, let's go for having cucumber. Let's explore jam and jelly. Jam is made by fruit, while jelly is made by fruit juice. So, have a jam and jelly. Okay, do you like French fry? French fry lovers. French fry, it's not from France. French fry is from Belgium. Have a delicious French fries? Okay, for a spicy food lover. Spicy food is really harmful for health. Most importantly, ulcer is caused by spicy food. Better to avoid spicy food as much as possible. So, keep fit without spicy food. Are you a fan of soft drinks? You like most? Now let's talk about soft drinks. Soft drinks is mostly harmful for human health. Better to take less soft drinks as much as possible. For energy drinks lover, perhaps you have believed to obtain instant energy after having energy drinks. It's fine, but energy drinks, the energy is not lasted for long run. Having energy drinks may cause by obesity as well as the nervousness. So be aware of having much energy drinks in your regular habit. Better to take less energy drinks as much as possible. Okay, I think information of this video will be your immense self. If you like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe on this channel and get connected with my Facebook page to obtain upcoming all videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.